We have given decimal number. Why? Because we have decimal point. We need to round this number. How we round decimal number? We have to use the same rule which we use for rounding whole number. So how we do this? Let me copy our example. 412 decimal point 6274. First step, we have to find the number to which we have to round our number. First, we have to round to the nearest 10. We need to find the 10. Decimal point is always between ones and tenth. When we move to the right from the decimal point, every position is 10 times smaller, and when we move to the left from decimal point, every position is 10 times bigger. So this is ones, tenths. This is the second digit from decimal point to the left, always is tenths. We have to underline our 10. We have 110, and next we have to check the digit which is after our underlined digit is 2. When we have less than 5 after underlined digits, what we have to do? We have to copy our underlined digits and everything what we have before our underlined digits, and what else? Every digit which we have after our underlined digits, we have to change to zeros. So 4 will be 0, 7, 2, 6, decimal point we copy, 2 will be 0, 1 we copy, and 4 we copy. So what we get? 410. And we can write decimal point. We don't need the zeros after decimal point because they don't change the value of our number. This was rounding to the nearest 10. Next we have 100. So let me copy our example one more time. We have 412 decimal point 6274. First, we have to always find the value to which we have to round our number. Nearest 100. We have the advantage, so it means we have to move to the left from the decimal point. Decimal point is between ones and tenth. So ones, tenths. Next is 100. We have 4 hundredths. So we underlined 4, and next step, what we have to do? We have to check what we have after 4. Our underlined digit is 1. When we have less than 5 after underlined digits, what we have to do? We don't have to do anything with our underlined digits. We just copy 4, and everything after our underlined digits we need to change to zeros. So 1 to 0, 2 to 0, decimal point we copy. 0, 0, 0, 0 we have. So what we get? After decimal point we have zeros, so we don't have to write the zeros. So we have 400. Can write decimal point. This was rounding to the nearest 100. Next, we need to round to the nearest thousandth. We have th advanced, so it means we have to move to the right from the decimal point. So let me write this example one more time. 412 decimal point 6274. First, we need to find the digits to which we have to round our number. Thousandth. So, like I said, we need to move to the right from the decimal point. First, after decimal point is tenth, hundredth, thousandth. We have 7,000th. Next is 10,000th. Next step, we have to check the digit which is after our underlined digits. It's 4. 4 is less than 5. So when we have after our underlined digits less than 5, what we have to do? We just copy our underlined digits. Everything what we have after our underlined digits we change to 0. So 4 we change to 0, and every digit which we have before our underlined digits we have to rewrite. So we have 4, 1, 2 decimal point and 62. So we got 412 decimal point 627. We don't need this last 0 because the 0 doesn't change the value of our number. This was rounding to the nearest thousandth. this is my solution.